Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see, steaming hot, straight from the wok, we're going to do classic egg fried rice. Very, very few ingredients, absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we're going to use. Okay, egg fried rice, cooked cold rice. I've got like 4 cups of basmati rice I'm using, but please do make sure that you use cold rice. Hot or warm rice doesn't fry so well. I'm using 3 eggs today. We're going to beat them a bit later. I've got 1 medium-sized onion. I'm using a red one, which I've chopped. I've got some green or spring onions there we're going to add in later. Garlic. Here's a little bit of sesame oil, which we're going to add at the end. We're going to start off with a little bit of sunflower and some salt and pepper. Classic, super easy. So we're going to need a wok or a pan or something like that to fry this around in. I've got a little bit of sunflower oil in there, not too much at all. Now what's important is we're going to be on a very, very high heat all the way through this process, like maximum heat. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by dropping in our garlic. Let's just get that in now. Few seconds, let that infuse that oil, and I want that to kind of change colour and be a nice feature in the rice. Then we're going to go onion, maximum heat. Let's go now for like 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving pretty much all the time. Fabulous. So this is cooking really nicely. Really high heat. I mean, I'm super lucky that this little cooker that I use is really powerful. Right, we're going to now drop in our rice, our cold cooked rice. In that goes. Some black pepper, salt, and then we're going to literally fry the rice for about 4 minutes. If the rice gets colour on it, if it browns or even blackens, I'm super happy with that. So keep it going 4 to 5 minutes now. So I hope you can hear that. That is the rice frying, and that's definitely what we want. Fabulous. Okay, now we're going to cook our egg, and how we do that, or how I'm going to show you how to do it now, is you set this rice to one side in the pan. I've just beaten those eggs. We're going to drop it in right there. And we're just going to cook it just on this little side bit here. It's going to take maybe 1 minute 90 seconds. And then we're going to fold it in. Okay, so that egg's ready. Let's mix her in now. Absolutely wonderful stuff. Some people add some frozen peas to this. Some people add a little bit of chili, or even, can you see that? Can you see that rice is burnt? That's where I want it. It's fantastic like that. Yeah, some people would put some ginger in here. Some people would put a little bit of soy sauce. I'm not doing that. What I am going to do is turn the heat off now. I'm going to grab that little bit of sesame oil and just drizzle that in. Give it a lovely nutty flavour. And then a nice lot of green or spring onions or scallions, whatever you may call those. Again, little mix in, and we're done. We've got a fantastic, beautiful, super easy egg fried rice. Hope you guys enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below. Check us out on all the social media, the Facebook and all that stuff, the website. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.